hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Queen Alice. So your Alice is here with amazing review of EcoBit Exchange. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing reviews on my YouTube channel. So before proceeding further, I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment you make. So let's get started with EcoBit. So here we have every chain holds our beliefs in trust. So you have to trade with confidence, simplicity, and expertise. Here is our EcoBit, guys. Here you have a market, sport, future, copy trading, and here you can know about their campaign. Here they have Eco Agent and many more. So we will discuss each and everything, and I will always place the link in my description. So guys, you can copy from there. So here you can start with your email or the phone, EcoBit Exchange. And here you can check out crypto market, real-time prices, trends, and insights at your fingertips. Here you can check out about BTC, Ethereum, XRP prices, their change, and volumes. Here you can check out the losers and the gainers. So guys, this platform has advantages, security, speed, and tools that are designed for every trader. Its user-friendly interface, advanced security, and global coverage. So guys, it's a seamless and initiative platform suitable for traders of all levels, and your funds and data are protected by top level encryptions and security protocols. And it has global coverage advantage. You can access global markets through widely supported cryptocurrencies. So here you can start your crypto journey. Join today and explore the world of digital assets. What you have to do is download. It is supported by Android and the iPhones. You can register and you can do the sport and the future trading. And guys, here you have many more. And here is about EcoBit. EcoBit has built a global presence connecting traders and investors across countries, 20 plus countries and regions, backed by 100 plus media collaborations and 1,000 plus influencers partnerships. So guys, here you can check out its users and daily trading volume. And here is where global vision meets local action. Guys, here you can start your crypto journey now. You can trade anytime, anywhere. So here you have to just log in and register, and you can scan to download EcoBit app. So now let's have a look for the markets. And here guys, you have a market. So here you can discover markets, cryptocurrencies, all at your fingertips using EcoBit. Here you can check out the gainers, hot coins, 24-hour volume. Here you can check out the sport and the future trading, your favorites about the BTC and Ethereum. And here you can check out much more. Guys, here you can check out and you can also trade on our EcoBit. Here is our sport. You can check out our EcoBit exchange market, spot and futures, guys. And here you can check out the timeline for 1 minute, 5 minute, 24-hour volume, and its high and low exchanges. And here you can buy and sell. You can log in and register to trade on EcoBit. Guys, here you can check out the price in USDT. And here is our future. Here you can check out, you can use USDT futures. Here you can check out the upcoming events about EcoBits and much more. Here you can click on more. You can check out the referral center, rewards, announcement about and how you can join it, its affiliate program, its listing applications. So guys, here how you can log in and register. If you have already logged in, you have to just enter your mail and password. And guys, if you want to register, you have to click on register. Here you have to enter your email or phone, your password, and then you will securely register to EcoBit account. So guys, here you have a look for EcoBit. Link free. Here you have a look, the leading crypto exchange for Bitcoin, future, spot trading, and altcoin. So guys, here you can check out website. You can have a link for app. Here is their Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, Discord link. So here I will place this in my description so you can copy and you can join their communities to know about their latest update. So guys, this is EcoBit Exchange Twitter account. Here you can check out their latest update and announcement, a global crypto exchange for futures on BTC, Ethereum, or more with up to. And And guys, here you can check out their latest announcement and update. And here you have a related post about EcoBit Exchange. So guys, must follow, like, tweet, and retweet on their Twitter account. So now here you have a look for their YouTube channel. EcoBit Exchange is also on YouTube, and here you can check out their videos. If you have any inquiry how you can register, and here you can check out the guidance video about EcoBit Exchange. Now let's talk about their other campaign, and here is the new user exclusive. Out it is distance from event start from 1 hour 12 minutes and 38 seconds. So registration will start after 1 hour. Here is the timer for the event. So now let's check out about the event activity rules of this campaign. Here you can have a look for the rules, and here is the deposit period. Here you can check out their deposit period, and their new user exclusive. You can deposit 20%, and the event period is about 9 May to 15 May. Guys, here you can have the event rule. During the event, newly registered users who reach the following cumulative deposit threshold will receive an 20% deposit. The more you deposit, the more you guys have a chance. So guys, here you can check out, if you have a deposit of 100, you will get 20, and if you have 200, you will get 40. And here you can check out more about this deposit, and here you can check out the rules about this, the usage scope. And this is only be used for opening position in future trading. And here is the pair limited to BTC USDT and Ethereum USDT, guys. And here is the validity period is about 7 days. And guys, here is unused will be expire automatically. And here you can check out the trading period. And these are the withdrawal rules. I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment you make. These are the terms and conditions to join the campaign. You can acquire only when you have KYC verification. If you have done your KYC, then you can claim. And guys, here you can check out the it will be distributed, and you have to follow the relevant rules. And guys, here you can check out, it will be distributed within 7 business days after the event ends. To ensure fairness, any fraudulent behavior, AG wash trading, and multiple account is strictly prohibited. And here you can check out the rule number 8 and 9, which is about EcoBit reserves right of final interruption. And for any question, you can contact the support of EcoBit. So guys, this is about their new event, which is on EcoBit, and it's starting from here you can check out, the event will start after 1 hour 8 minutes and 37 seconds, which is about new user exclusive. So guys, my crypto enthusiast, you have to be must part of this amazing event. I will place the link in my description so you can join easily. So do share your thoughts about this event and about their rules. So guys, this was the short review about EcoBit. I hope you have liked my video, and if you have any inquiries regarding how you can join, and if you are facing issues in registration, you can join their communities. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.